Okay, I'm on my patio. Oh, there goes a squirrel. I'm on my patio, and when I came out here, I could literally feel like the pressure of the hurricane, and it's all going on in my ears. And I can also hear a swooshing of the pressure with this storm. It's just the weirdest thing, and I wanted to record it to see if the microphone on my phone can pick up what I'm hearing. And it kind of sounds like a swoosh, 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 like that. So let me see if I can pick it up on my recorder here. It's gotten real faint right now. I can barely pick it up. I don't hear it right now, but it was very prominent just like minutes ago when the winds were picking up. I had the same feeling like, when you're in an airplane, and the airplane is taking off and you get this like pressure. Some people's ears like stop up, but it was that kind of a feeling. And I've picked that up before with other storms that have come through. It's just the weirdest thing. I'm so in tune and so sensitive to stuff like that. It's just really weird. Okay, the wind's coming up. Oh boy. Woo. There it is. I hear it. Okay. All right. Let me see what I captured on my recorder.